It is really not compulsory to sit in the lotus pose Padmasana. Comfortable to a point where the knees don't hurt. The lotus pose Padmasana. Otherwise, you can sit on a chair, you can sit on your bed, you can sit with legs long if you have knee problems. Don't use knee problems as an excuse for not doing your breath work regularly. Make sure you keep your spine upright, shoulders braced back of the head in line with the spine. Make sure eyes are gently closed. Bring your hands down to touch the tip of your index finger to the thumb tip and the other 3 fingers open. The 3 open fingers, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, symbolizing a beautiful triad of Vat, Pitta and Kapha. Anant Gnan, Anant Darshan, Anant Charitra. It's a magical mudra. Chin mudra. Some schools call it Jnana mudra. Rest it on your knees, on your thighs, with the palm facing the ceiling. The index fingertip touches the thumb tip to show the unity between Jivatma and Paramatma. Let us do what is called the skull cleansing breath in a twist. Come into a complete twist. Make your shoulders parallel to the wall on that side. Turn your head again. Eyes are closed. Hands can continue staying in the Gyan Mudra, Chin Mudra, and start with active exhalations, Kapalbhati twists. Skull cleansing. Kapal is skull, forehead. Cleansing, Bhati. Bhati means light, pun intended, illumination. Pull your abdomen in fearlessly with every exhalation. So in that your navel goes into your tailbone. Stay very twisted. We are addressing digestive issues, constipation, acidity, gas, flatulence, indigestion, gut health issues, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, obesity on the abdomen, getting back a well-sculpted body, suppleness in our lower vertebral column. Wow! So many benefits. That brings a smile. Kapalbhati with a smile and a twist. Stimulate your digestive organs. Help relieve constipation. Practice this 3 rounds of 30 exhalations daily on an empty stomach. Change sides. Continue. Make sure you have a double twist. What is a double twist? Full vertebral column is twisted, so shoulders are parallel on the wall to that side. And the head twists again so that the chin chases the shoulder blade. Kapalbhati with a twist. If you have high blood pressure or hypertension, do this in a sukshma way, slow, subtle, totally nasal. Don't let the heart or the sternum strain at all. Come back to the center, come in Apana Mudra, the energy mudra. Aids in digestion, acidity, flatulence, constipation. Elimination is where it helps. Hold the middle finger and the ring finger to the thumb pad for 15 minutes twice daily. Apana Mudra. Discontinue Kapalbhati. To do abdominal breathing, inhale, inflate the abdomen like a balloon, exhale, bring it back to normal. To reverse digestive issues, constipation. Palms on the knees, what I call the Dadagiri posture. Elbows out like wings. Inhale fully, inflate your abdomen like a balloon. Very big. Exhale completely, take it in. Hold the exhalation, come in a chin lock, come in an abdominal lock. Udyan Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh. Holding your exhalation, do abdomen out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Don't wait till there is an impending need to inhale. Before that, discontinue and restart once again. It's called Agni Sar. Digestive fire activation enhances digestion, elevates constipation. Perform this 10 to 15 rounds daily before meals. Make sure you are in a Udyan Bandh and a Jalandhar Bandh. Hold your exhalation, the Bahir Kumbhak. You can do up to 10 to 15 rounds also. You will start seeing results within 3 to 5 rounds. Obesity on the abdomen, gut health issues, digestive issues and constipation. Discontinue the practice. Open up the mudra to do a good round of palming. Rub, 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 rub. Cap them on closed eyes. Now open your eyes inside the palming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blink. Again eyes open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blink. Eyes are open. Close them now. Continue palming. Make sure when you do your palming, you rest your palms on a pillow or cushion or bolster.